This video will explain how to pair devices with the DEVI Control application.
For the usage of the app, together with, in this case, the DEVI Rec Room, the experience for the DEVI Rec Basic will not be that much different. We will try to add a new device by pressing on the red cross. Then after that, we will select the device we have. So that's DEVI Rec Room, which is the device seen over here. But beforehand, we need to ensure that our device is actually functional. So we'll turn it up here and it responds with a green light, which means that the device is functional. We'll turn it down onto the clock on the dial, which means the schedule mode. Then we'll start searching for the device in our Bluetooth app. The Bluetooth app will then recognize that the thermostat is set into the scheduled mode. Thermostat will then pair. Once the pairing is complete, we can see on the device that there's a connectivity icon and we're blinking with the symbol for scheduling. Then we need to turn the thermostat out onto the dial and back to ensure that the product is actually the correct one we want to communicate with. After this, we have several options. Option number 1 and the top option in the bar here is the basic setup. Second option is the advanced setup, and the third option is the installer setup. I'll progress with the basic setup, which means I only have to choose 2 things. One is the room type and the other one is the flooring type. In this case, it's located in my living room and I do have hardwood floors in my living room, so I'll select those 2. These 2 selections will then give me maximum room temperature limit, maximum floor temperature limit, a default frost protection limit, and it will give me default schedule values for the different working days, weekends, home temperatures, and away temperature. When I press apply for this, I will call this DEVI, this device. So that's all we need. We need a name for the device, and then we can say done. Once this setup has been completed, the device will once go into itself, reiterate, and then we can activate the device by pressing on the button and pairing with the device to go into the actual device and seeing what the device is actually capable of inside of the main menu.